Welcome to this charming move-in ready condo in the heart of Moraga. This single-story home was originally built in 1971 and features a 945 square feet of well-designed living space. The expansive, inviting living room with a cozy fireplace sets the tone for relaxed living, all while the fresh interior paint and luxury vinyl flooring gives the home a clean, modern feel. This spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home blends classic design with thoughtful modern updates while offering access to Moraga's top-rated K-12 school district. Enjoy a spacious kitchen with a dedicated breakfast area, along with the luxury of one dedicated parking space and a second available for just $25 a month. A significant and rare advantage in this community. You'll love the easy access to the Ream Shopping Center, weekly farmers markets, scenic trails, Moraga Country Club, and St. Mary's College, all just within minutes away, with a well-maintained HOA at $581 a month, water, trash, insurance for complex and exterior maintenance. This is an ideal opportunity for first-time buyers, downsizers, or anyone seeking a comfortable and convenient East Bay lifestyle. Make this charming home yours and enjoy everything in life within one of Moraga's most desirable locations that it has to offer. This property is brought to you by Mickey Huey, Matt Huey, and Michael Huey, MB Realty and Investment. Call Mickey at 510-693-6088. Matt at 925-813-4903. Michael at 925-324-9783. Or visit mbrealtyinvestment.com.